Hello everybody, this is 91 Corolla, and this poor thing had the timing belt break on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and dismantle this entire front end, get the timing belt out. There's two ways to do this. Once you get a belt on it, you don't have to close everything back up. You could do a quick compression test to make sure all the valves are closing and you have good compression. If you do, put everything back. If you don't, you gotta take the head off, cylinder head off, and get a new head gasket and fix the valve that is bent. You don't really have to replace this engine just because one or two valves are bent. It's an easy job to replace these valves. Easy enough when you have the whole entire front dismantled. To get this front completely dismantled, we're going to go ahead and support the engine from the bottom with the jack. I'm going to go ahead and remove a tensioner for the alternator, which is right here, and get the alternator belt off. Then we're going to take out the AC compressor belt by loosening that tensioner. That should give us a clear access to the timing belt cover. And only thing that be in your way is the water pump right here, because the pulley is still halfway in over the timing cover. In my case, I will be replacing the water pump, so I'm going to take that out. Then we have to remove the wheel and the fender liner to get access to the crankshaft bolt. We'll remove the crankshaft out of the way and then start taking the cover off. On top of the cover, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to take this 10 millimeter bolt, this clip here, and take the harness out of the cover. I will be removing the spark plug 1, and just to bring the engine to top dead center. I already know belt's broken, so I gotta retime everything. I'll show you how to retime it if your belt's broken.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh. And belt snapped. So look, what happened to the crankshaft washer? The bolt was hitting it, so bent it. Now, which bolt was kind enough to fall into that? It was the engine mount bolt. Because we had these two connected, this was not connected. So the bolt bring me that bolt, honey, the cover. Yeah, so it looks like the bolt that came out and got lodged into the cover is not for the tensioner, it's for the engine mount. If it wasn't for this bolt, this belt was good. Alright, so we're just going to put a belt on it temporarily, turn the engine around, create a compression, and if everything checks out, we're happy to put everything back. If it doesn't, cylinder head's coming off. Okay, so the cylinder number 1 is at top dead center. We cannot make sure of that because the actual mark is broken off, but I can do cotter pin position. I know cotter pin position is full 12 o'clock for the right. Next you go to the camshaft. You're gonna look through this hole and line up to the mark on the camshaft seal sprocket, and then you're gonna look into your timing gear, mark this dot with this and this dot with this one. Also make sure your piston is top dead center by turning the motor in, and when this stops on top, that's where your center is. Now I'm just going to put the belt on, tension it, and do a compression test. Timing belt's on, got new water pump on here. I did the compression test, turns out to be 175, close to 175, we're good. Tension is good. This was marked. So far I have started the car without everything on it. It starts up just fine. So if you have the timing belt cut or jumped, don't worry about it. You can always follow the same procedure. Put your belt on, you should be good. Here we go. We got the engine mounts back in, alternator connected, power steering and idler connected, washer bottle back in. Ended up giving the timing cover a paint, valve cover a paint. So let's go start it. So startup. Perfect. I had to drain coolant because the water pump, so I'm going to add more coolant to it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. And if you have a snap belt on your Honda Civic or on your Toyota Corolla, no reason to panic. You definitely be able to put everything back together after you time it. Alright, take care. Bye.